Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you how custom fields work and how to create them in Sage Intacct. So, custom fields are the most common customizations used in Intacct, and they enable you to capture additional data. They can be used with a number of things, such as list views, reports, printed doc templates, dimension groups, and even smart rules and events. So, first thing is that you need to be subscribed to customization or platform services in your instance on Sage Intacct. So to see if you have this capability, go to Applications, and you will see Platform Services, or you will see Custom Services. So in Platform Services, you are able to use any of these items, and it allows you to create and access all of these items available in custom services, as well as provides tools for building solutions that can access and work with custom data as well as standard application data. So the next prerequisite that you need to check for before we can make any custom fields is you must make sure that you are a user with business user type and you have full or limited admin privileges. So the first thing that we recommend is that when you're going to develop a custom field, you need to analyze your needs and then design a field that's going to assist these needs. They can be edited or deleted cautiously. Custom fields can, and making it inactive is much more recommended. So to create a custom field, you need to go to Applications, then Platform Services, and go down under Object Customization to Custom Fields. Here you are able to edit the fields that you have already created, and you can delete them from here as well. You can also include the inactive fields by clicking this button. To add a custom field, it's as easy as just pressing the Add button up here. So there are going to be 4 steps in this process. This is the first one, and you are going to choose an object to extend. So in step 1, there are 3 things to remember. That 1, not all objects support custom fields, only the ones that are listed here. So all of these objects support custom fields. This is not all of them, but they do. And note that if an object or field name may not match the label in UI, it's based on your company or user settings and or its custom terminology settings. Then lastly, the number of custom fields is limited by object. So you can have up to 100 for vendor objects, item objects, project objects, and contract objects. And then you can have up to 25 for all of the rest. In this example, we're going to be using the project object. And then we're going to click Next. So for here, you're going to choose a data field type. So if you want a checkbox or a percent, a number, you're going to choose here. I'm going to choose checkbox. Then you're going to click Next. So first, you're going to put in a label. This is the text that you want to show next to the field in the user interface. Now you have the default value, which you can do checked or unchecked. I'm going to leave them all unchecked, and they can just check it if it's a SCM project, a project that has been sent over from SCM. So here you have the field ID. This is going to automatically appear because the system will auto-suggest an ID based on what the label is saying. This is going to appear in the catalog and list of custom fields. Here you can have a description. It is optional, and its info will help doc purposes and use of the field only viewable to users that can create custom fields. So we are not going to fill that out. We're going to go to Next. And now here in step 4, we have our deployment options. So this field can be required, it's going to be hidden, or it can be inactive. So when adding a section, when the field appears, you can add to one or make one. If adding, enter the name of the section exactly how it appears on the screen. And if you're going to add a new one, you would add it down here. So this is going to be the field where it appears. It's going to appear on the project field. That is where the new tab is going to appear. Then we are going to click Done. And now that we've clicked Done, this is going to pop up here. Right here is the custom field that we have created. And we are going to go and check to see if it works. So we made ours into projects. We're going to click on projects. And then here to see if our field worked, we're going to click view on any project. And in project info, we now have this little checkbox that we're able to check or not if we're editing. And that is how you create and use custom fields in Intacct.